What's up, everyone? It's time for another Wayne and Weston Food Review. So, guys, well, not guys, it's either Wonder Warriors or my Waniacs. I think those are the two I'm going for. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Wonder Warriors or Waniacs? I went to White Castle to try the new Impossible Burger, which is the meatless burger. So, I got one with cheese and one without. This is the one without. Now, this is $2. I don't know if it costs anything more or less to get it without cheese. But anyways, it's about $2. I paid about $4 something for these two sliders, which is expensive, which is pricey. But I want to know how this tastes, because I was very interested. Now, the slider itself is a lot bigger than normally is. I put pickles. It's a lot thicker than the regular sliders. But anyways, guys, let's get right into it. Actually, let me break off a piece of meat. It feels like meat. It's even got a little pinkness to it, which is weird. But yeah, you guys see it? Alright. I'm tasting it. Tastes nothing like a White Castle slider. Tastes completely different. I don't know how to explain the taste. It's got a somewhat chewy texture to it. It's not bad. It's not great either. I think I would still prefer the regular sliders. But if they made the regular sliders this thick and meat, I would totally love this. Or the regular sliders. For $2, if you're someone who doesn't want to eat meat, I'd suggest these. If you're someone who loves meat, I wouldn't suggest these. Why is it pinkish in the middle? That's bugging me out. Alright. Let's see if Weston will eat this meat. There's no onion in this. There is on the bun on the bottom. Weston, come here. You want this? You ate veggies? Weston never eats veggies. It is Weston approved. Weston usually spits out all his vegetables, so they tricked him with it. So I guess Weston gives it a thumbs up. Alright, this is the one with cheese. Yeah. Now this has a more smoky flavor to it. That might be from the cheese. All in all, it's alright, guys. But it's expensive. $4 for just these two things. I'm not getting these again. But it was good to try it. So if you don't like meat or don't want to kill the animals, go try this out. Not bad. Alright. That's the end of this Wayne and Weston Food Review. Deuces, my Waniacs. Deuces. Combine them. Waniacs. Out.